Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and this is my January Essential Rewards order. A lot of basics this month, and I'm guessing next month will be too because I've run out of even more basic everyday oils since I ordered this box. I don't know if this is interesting to you at all, but this is how many empty oil bottles I've gone through in 3 months. I don't know if you think that's a lot or not a lot. I guess it just depends on the eye of the beholder. I am going to get a bunch of Epsom salts. I have a video on this, and put them in a glass Tupperware container thing, and then undo the lids of these and submerge them in there, because even though they're empty, there's always a little bit left, and that's a great free way to get some Epsom salts infused with essential oils. So I think I'm gonna be doing that right after this video because I am out of my Epsom salts. Well, infused with oil. I will tell you the truth, I did crack into this last night because I couldn't wait for one of them. Oh my goodness, I just did my nails, I didn't wanna break them. Okay, so I got two 15 mils of lavender, and I broke into this one last night. You guys, I was looking through old videos of my hauls, and I always say, I'm out of this oil, it's so stressful. I say that all the time, so I'm gonna try not to say that, but I've been out of lavender for a couple weeks, and I use lavender all the time, And I think I'm out of lavender and a lot of basic oils because I did a ton of roller blends for Christmas gifts. That makes great Christmas gifts, especially if you have oils on hand anyways. So I just needed to get into this right away, and I again diffuse this. It's really good for skin. It's so soothing. I had a kind of like a weird rash from my Fitbit when we were in Arizona a couple weeks ago, and so I took the Fitbit off thinking in the next couple days it would clear up, and it didn't. And then I put 1 drop of lavender oil right on it, and the next day it was like 50% gone. I did it again, and the next day it was completely gone. It is magic. 2 bottles of lavender. Oh, okay. So this is my Essential Rewards order. I ordered 100 PV, or about $100, and if you order at that level, they usually send you a free oil. And this month was, or is, a 10 mil of peppermint. Now 10 mil is kind of a special size for Young Living. I think they included this in a special bundle and probably had some extras. So when I first started with Young Living, peppermint was kind of one of my least favorite oils, but I've been using it like crazy lately, so I'm really glad to have this. How do I use it? I love diffusing it in the morning. Now that I'm mainly working from home or stay-at-home mom, part-time working stay-at-home mom, I'm home in the morning now, so I love diffusing this in the morning, oftentimes with a citrus essential oil. It's super uplifting. I put a couple drops in my toilet between cleanings. What else? Great for head tension, headache relief. I have a video on my IGTV page on my Instagram at Take Care Mama. I used this recently to kind of clear out my sinuses. So many uses. It's so good. It smells so good. Peppermint. Also, because I'm on the Essential Rewards program, I spent about $100. I get a $25 credit. I'm gonna do a whole video on Essential Rewards, maybe even after I film this, but because I have been on the program for so long, I am at the highest level, which means for every dollar or PV I spend on this program, I get 25% back. So I have $25 waiting for me. I think I have $75 in total right now. I use it a lot. I spend that money. Kind of like vacation time. When I get it at work, I wouldn't bank it, I would spend it. So I can't wait to buy something fun with my rewards. Oh, okay. I think this is my last oil, and then I have some other stuff. Lemon, like I said, it's the month of basics. Just like peppermint, it is so uplifting. I love diffusing it in the morning. I put some in my all-purpose Thieves cleaner. I put a couple drops of the Vitality blend in my soda water. I have a soda stream that I love. Right now I'm drinking lime. I love lemon. I used to have a perfume when I was little that was a lemon kind of perfume. So I might play around with that. The one thing you want to be careful with lemon, lime, any citrus oils is it is photosensitive. So if you would put some like on your skin and then go outside in the hot sun, you could get pretty badly burned. So if I apply it to my skin, I'll apply it to a spot that won't see the sun or before bed, because 8 to 12 hours later, you'll be fine. Okay, and then some cleaning stuff. We ran out of this a few days ago. This is the Thieves dishwashing machine detergent. I really like it. Some people have some problems with it and they need to tweak it a little bit to make it work, because they might have harder water, softer water. I'm not sure what we have, but I like it. I haven't had any issues. My dishes come out clean, and I am not one of those people who rinse my dishes really well before I put them in the dishwasher, because I lived without a dishwasher at my old house for, I don't know, 5 years, however long we lived there. And now that I have a dishwasher, the dishwasher will do the work. So I love this stuff. Some people dilute it with like citric acid and baking soda, and they claim it both makes it work better and then they let it stretch longer. I would love to try that. I haven't, just because I'm lazy, but that is something in the back of my mind that I might try. Let me know if you have. But I love this. It's non-toxic, completely plant-based, contains no dyes, artificial fragrances, phosphates, just safe plants. Okay, lastly, I'm not gonna lie, this is a little smaller than I was expecting. I think I meant to buy the larger one, but this is their Thieves fruit and veggie soak. Guys, I don't wash my produce, and I know that's disgusting. I rinse it and that's pretty much it, and sometimes I don't even do that, and I know that's really bad, especially with baby Norma and baby-led weaning. I want to make sure that my produce is safe for her little body. So I've seen a lot of videos on this, and I'm excited to play around on my stories where women or men will wash their fruit in a bowl with just a couple drops of this, and then they'll show everything, like all the dirt and gross gunk that this stuff gets off. And I'm really excited. Even though it's the Thieves line, from what I understand, digize is kind of the main oil in here. If I am wrong about that, feel free to correct me. 2 tablespoons for every gallon of water. So even though this is small, you don't need a lot. And you let it soak for 1 or 2 minutes and then rinse under running water. Yeah, I'll let you know what I think. I'm really excited. Also, it's been claimed that especially berries go bad so quickly, like raspberries, strawberries. And I've seen people who have gotten home from the grocery store, rinsed their berries right away, or cleaned it rather with their Thieves cleaner back in the fridge, and their berries last like significantly longer, 3 to 5 days, which is crazy. So happy to get lavender and lemon back, but now I'm out of peace and calming. I'm close to being out of valor. I'm out of stress away, and I'm out of Ningxia. So next week, or next month rather, might be a little larger of a haul for me. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that button, turn the bell on so that you don't miss next month's video. If you are ready to jump in to the oily lifestyle, I'd love to hold your hand through the process. We have a great growing team, but we're small enough where I can really give lots of one-on-one attention. I'd love to have you join. Either leave a comment below, or if you're on Instagram, that's the best way to reach me. Send me a DM. My handle is @takecaremama. I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to take care. Bye, guys.